Hi everyone and welcome to a new video tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to play the riff of the song Beat It by Michael Jackson. It's a really fun riff to play. It's not so difficult, but we have to open the hand quite a bit and it's a little bit fast. So if you are a beginner with the guitar, just take it slow and with patience I'm sure that you're going to make it. So take your guitar and let's begin. Okay, so we start playing the 6th string, and you see that line between those first two zeros, it's just a tie. It means that those two zeros become 1. Okay, so we play the 0 on the 6th string just once. And then we take the 2nd finger, 3rd band, 6th string. Then we come with the 1st finger on the 2nd bar, 5th string. And then the pinky finger, 4th finger, comes to the 5th bar of the 4th string. Okay. Practice it slowly, and when it feels easy, then you can start playing at the right tempo. Okay? And then we come with the 1st finger to the 2nd bar of the 4th string. And there we have the first part of the riff. On the right tempo. Let's try it together. Watch out that the first 0 starts right after the 4th beat of the bar. It's not like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? It must be played between the 4th and the 1st beat. So when I count, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay? Between the 4th and the 1st. I show you again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay? So let's try together to play this first part of the riff. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And then we play again the 2nd bar of the 4th string, and then with the 3rd finger we come to the 4th bar of the 4th string. It's kind of important on this riff that you use the correct finger, because we're going to play fast, so we don't want to be moving the hand all the time. So we are going to use only these 4 frets. And we are going to have 1st finger there, 2nd, 3rd and 4th. Okay, so we don't mix up there. And then we do. There we have again 2 number 4s that have a tie between them. So we play only once. And back to the 2nd fret of the 4th string. And then with the 4th finger, pinky finger, we come to the 5th fret of the 5th string. So that 2nd part is like this. And we play 2 times this last tone. Okay? I'm going to put together the 1st and the 2nd part. Okay, after those last 5s, we have a pause. Okay, so we have to lift the finger a little bit. We don't need to take away the finger, but just stop holding down, so that we get those pauses. Okay? Let's try together now. Remember that we start right after the fourth beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then we continue. The third part. It's the third part. It's the same that the first part. Okay. So let's put together the first, second, and third part of the riff. Okay, let's try together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Until there. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then we have to arrive to the last part of the riff. It's almost like the second part when we did. But now when we come to the fifth bar of the fifth string with the pinky finger, we play only once there. Okay? So let's put all together, and it sounds like this. 2 times there, and 1. Okay? I'll show you again. Let's try together. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And it's just repeating this riff. So when you arrive, you start again. Let's play it 2 times together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. Okay. And that was Beat It by Michael Jackson. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you want to get more videos like this one, and if you enjoyed this lesson, just give it a thumbs up. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and you can also visit my website EasyGuitarTube.com, where you're going to find more videos like this one and their touch. So thanks for watching, and I see you on the next video.